is just 2,000. Yes. Bye now. Hey, Yana. Hey, Yana. Do Christmas for me. Hey, Yana. Silent night. Oh, this one is 2,000. Buy for your baby now. Your baby. Hey. Buy now. Buy for your baby. See this now. Buy this now. Buy this now. Buy this now for your baby. Tomorrow, hey, yeah. Oh, tomorrow. Yes. This packet is bad. Feliz Navidad, pamparada. Feliz Navidad, pamparada. Feliz Navidad, felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry.
Polycarp with the mad, Abi. You the craze. Don't they worry you? After how many years where I did the date to you? You come back, one collect what you give me. Who does that?
I don't understand.
Who they do am?
No, you buy am.
You buy waiting.
They put me show.
You buy waiting.
Now me buy am. Me go talk when I go collect am. They say because I gave you wig. I give you 1 week.
No, they give you man week.
For what now?
So all these 6 years where I did with you, you want to make that just waste like that?
I don't understand. Why?
No, wait. Me and you there for 6 good years. You dey date me. Everything what they do with you. We dey plan together. We go do things together. Now you wake up, go impregnate another woman.
I not tell you.
That one no, they don't even reach you. You come back, tell me say you want to go marry him.
I not tell you.
Tell me what.
I not tell you. Say I get somebody who I want marry who with the date. You don't hear them. Why they open your eyes so wide like say with the quarrel? I want come take my wig. I know they give woman wig. I give you this wig because say. You know, based on say everything, you very fine woman. I don't see you, you don't subdue me. But I want to take him back, nah.
You not go take him back.
I don't go take him back.
You not go take him back. You not go take him back.
If this thing no
see,
follow,
see,
if this thing no follow me go, no sir, no frame me. You go follow me go now. I beg you.
Polycarp, no be even say you buy this wig with all your money. You don't forget say my money inside.
We go cut him now. Bring knife.
You and who will cut him?
We go cut him.
We should cut waiting.
Cut into two.
This
you
wig.
take one, I take one.
I no go let you spoil my wig.
Make I die. We go collect him.
Okay, you go die.
I go die.
You go die.
Beg give me this wig because I'm gonna take money like that. Give me my wig. We on the house, brother. I go.
Polycarp.
I'm about to show. I'm about to show.
Polycarp.
Leave this young lady alone now.
Tell her.
Eh? I don't carry cab. You the mad. Come on, give me.
Yeah?
Come for you. Then we get some.
Leave her.
Come on, you
Polycarp, leave her. Leave.
Come on, make show you joke also. Go your way.
I don't go give you.
Let her be Nagi. Natasha. National Assembly go call us.
Hello?
Are you hearing me? They want to kill your sister.
Somebody beat my sister.
So when they hear me, they want to kill your sister.
I know where you
Polycarp.
dey. I know.
I don't understand.
They want to kill your sister.
Wait, I dey come.
You can't this thing.
I don't give you. I
Hey!
don't give you.
May they not say I keep
I
person.
don't give you. Who give you?
May I say I'm a bully girl here.
Who?
I dey come out quickly go house. Yeah? Let me look after my team. My phone dead there too.
Camera rolling. Action. Okay.
Babe, no, wait, don't touch me. You sick like a big dog.
Babe, wait now. Come, babe.
Leave me.
Is it like stink? That's not like a fire.
You guys should be serious, Joe.
Okay, babe,
But I'm serious.
let's do this.
Babe, no way, I'm tired.
Babe, okay, you know what?
This weekend I'll take you out. That restaurant you've always wanted to go to. I'll take you there.
You're trying to bribe me. I am not that cheap.
I'm not trying to bribe you, just motivate you, babe. Come on, come. You know I love you, right?
I love you too. Baby. Oh, I am super thirsty, so I want to go get some water.
Babe,
come back.
let's just finish this thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Say it like you're pleading.
Please, no, let's just okay, be fast about it.
Say it like you mean it.
Please.
I'll be back. Better.
Please, for you.
Whatever.
I think I will need that as well.
You said, Micah, thirsty. Please, you guys hurry up a bit.
Hey, I got you. Come on.
What is wrong with you? You almost gave me a heart attack.
Didn't you see the way he was grabbing your waist anyhow?
Hey, stop it. Buckle up your jealousy. He is my man, so he has every right to touch me and hold me however he wishes, okay?
I know,
Thank you.
but I can't help it. Plus, you know how much I love you.
I know. And I like you too. But he's your best friend, so we have to be careful.
Of course I know.
Are you going to drink the whole time? Hurry up now, let's wrap this thing up.
Yeah, okay. Just give me 1 more minute. I am super thirsty.
Baba, we go run noodles for us.
No, Alan, I do that.
Brother from another mother.
Oh, okay.
I beg, make una go shoot, I beg.
Yeah. Don't you want water? Yeah. So it's good.
And have me.
Alright. Go. And this small thing, this guy will just shoot face. What is it? 1 second. Oh, 1 second. Give me this thing. I'm a bugo.
You know you can't do it.
Old man, like you don't get shame. You dey mad? No, me dey ask. You dey beat my sister. Stupid. Old man. You dey beat my sister. So what you do now? What you want? Beat me now. Kill me. Kill me now. May you sleep for prison. You dey mad? Now, break your head.
No, this one
Wait.
You go beat down.
No, you want beat me.
Now conspiracy.
You don't get shame. 6 years now you give my sister a ring. She don't turn Lord of the Ring. The ring don't even turn key holder for her hand. You know the shame. You know what marry her. You want to fight for another week.
You even dare like say I give my ring. I don't give you my ring.
Okay, you know they give you
Who give you ring?
Come on for our compound.
Mark, come for this. I go slap you here
Come on
now.
for that place.
You go
If I
slap
not
me.
carry this thing, come on, make her die.
Oga, come on.
Yes. They go cook her.
I know they play with
Come
you.
on, cook your boy.
I go knock you something for head though.
Go do what you want to do.
Hey!
If I not,
I can't correct.
in the car.
I know they play with you.
Look at him.
What the fire you there?
Idiot.
Now
Since
God
when
wey
I'm
use time wey suppose use mud God. Use a mud deny my I no too blame after. You dey do your work. I dey come for you. But I no understand sister now. Which kind thing be this one now? Una dey fair na wan kill una sef because of synthetic. Wig wey no dey get instead. Now you make una wan die here.
Which one be saying
Sponge.
Which one be saying wig wey no get sense? See somebody wey I don dey with for 6 years. 6 years wey I dey with am. You dump me with this only this week. I no collect the wig. Come, you still wan come collect the wig from me again?
But the wig no make sense na. This thing no be. This thing na sponge. Iron sponge.
Okay, you wan make I just leave the wig like that? Make the wig go. Make the man go too.
Na because of synthetic.
I don't even know why I dey very unfortunate. I don't know. Things wey go work for that woman. When you reach my turn, story go change. You go become something else. Man wey I dey with for 6 years, I no get anything. Maybe marry me. Don't go around that person. Only wig wey he give me. He come back say he wan collect the wig.
This thing now no be achievement. Now this thing be achievement.
I only say why achieve for relationship with this.
6 years relationship, 6 years where people they use the build house, kids are married, born children. Now this point she want use the front as the achievement.
I don't want front but I want keep am. I don't want front I want keep. I'm not supposed to keep am. I keep one thing now what I get. I give even if I want thing.
If you enjoy you now, I'll kill you for this. They fight with man when they drink go as food. If you enjoy you now, you don't say no go butter ram. This thing I make you. No, they cry, I beg. If you find a woman, another man will want you.
Who wants me? Who wants me? I never reached to marry since. That's why they come, they go, they come, they go. Who wants me? Whenever comes since where polycam there? Huh?
No, for these children, go they stay the cry for man. No. You know, see, now only you I get. Now only you be the person who I get for this life. If anything happens to you, how I want to take survive. I want to take hope. Now only you be the person where they my head like this. Now make a that guy tell me say they beat you. I leave everything what they do. Everything. I don't even know where my phone, where I throw away my phone. Everything just come off from my hand. I run the call. Sometimes this kind of thing they happen. Maybe they reason me too. Maybe they reason me. You don't feel leave me. You be fine woman. You never look yourself for me. You fine die. Now men suppose they kill themselves, may they carry you, or may they friend you. You not supposed to cry for man. I beg now.
Where the men dey? Men will be saying that they supposed to come for me when they won't come.
Look before inside now.
Favor, look me. I never enter monopause. Look me now. Now when I old, I mean I well. I go invest my 6 years with man who I don't know say he get baby mama. As if that man not even rich up. He come back, he won't go marry him baby mama. Now maybe food now.
You know
maybe person whether they use.
You know before. See, one thing where you go know, husband no go find you come your house. Now when you start to go out, they mingle with people, friends, make friends, go out. Now that time they go see you. You no go expect when you stay inside room, make husband they see. When you stay for inside this kind of environment, the only people who go they looking at people where reach the level where for the environment where would they. You feel see any man where get safe, where they get safe, where they live for this kind of environment. No. Now, Bogoro people, all these mumu people, now they food this place, and I didn't look out for you because you need to go outside. No worry, trust me. When you start to go outside, you're going to meet good people. Those good people will direct you to people where make sense. Your husband will reach you. Age now just number. Person will like you, no go stress you, and he will come for you. Yeah? I beg. Don't they cry? Yeah?
I see this one, you don't even tear. I for even just leave her for him.
You get. You for just leave her, make carry shame and wahala they go. If you say as he call, you just give her. Shame go even catch her. Shame go catch her. Because he go not say you no get stuck with her.
I don't receive them.
You be fine girl. So as your skin day, man. Why call it stress yourself for man when you get set?
No easy, no easy.
You
want make I go start life again now? Begin to meet people, begin to face people, begin to do everything again.
Oh, babe, look at this video is really making waves, though. 50K views in less than 3 hours.
Wow.
I think they like this girl. Why don't we collaborate with her and do some Christmas content?
Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
But there have to be something more creative about her.
Yeah.
Not just singing and voicing to Christmas songs.
I know, but I'm sure there'll be more to this. If we can get to know her, get close to her, you know? Take a look now. Massive engagement on TikTok and Facebook. I'm sure it will blow up, though. I'm optimistic.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Then try and reach out to her.
I will.
Bye. You know what, bye? For your Christmas.
My friend. Come, come. I'll follow you, come.
My customer! I did! My customer! Ayana! Hey!
Make her come down, they come.
Ayana!
Hey!
Let me off my music.
Oh no.
I do! Who want this, sir?
How you doing?
I did fine, sir.
How you doing?
I'm here.
Good to see you again.
My customer.
I get something I want to tell you.
Eh.
You know that content we do? That video that I made of you when you were singing? I posted it on my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok. Boom! Everybody loved it. I'm telling you.
Good, nah, good thing.
Everybody loved it.
Oh, not good thing. Well, you don't really concern me now. I want to do my business and make money. So you whether people like them or
I
they
want to
don't.
make me come here. I get business for you.
I talk and I talk.
Okay. So this is how we do it.
Okay, sir.
I want to record you when you do all those your things. You understand? If I post it, it goes scatter. Everybody could see I'm on my Facebook, my Instagram, my TikTok, and the money go to fall outside. Then I'll pay you.
Okay, you're gonna pay me.
I'll pay you now. You understand?
It's
But
not
first,
bad.
before we start, I want to appreciate you because that one way you do, almost
Yes,
scatter.
sir.
So
Thank you, sir. Oh, God, oh, Jesus. Since I started to do this work, I never make this kind of money.
are you serious?
Nah,
Yeah,
Jesus.
use our whole our face.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you,
No,
sir.
stand up. No
God
problem.
bless you,
No
sir.
problem.
Jesus.
You know what's going to happen?
Yes,
You
sir.
do online. You do online.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You do
sir.
online.
Yeah, I'm show you my phone.
Okay. You go follow me on
Yes, sir.
you get all those Instagram.
Yes, sir. I get
Follow
that.
me. Soft boy. Okay. SOFT
SOFT
BOY
view.
underscore. That's
This one.
underscore like this.
Okay, ma follow
005.
you. Ma follow you now.
Yes. May we even exchange contact. May I get your
I
number?
don't follow you, sir.
I'll
Hey.
May I get your number, I beg?
Yes,
Put
sir.
your number.
A number.
Let me put my own.
Hey, see big phone, Jesus. Jesus.
Now.
Jesus. Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
No
God
problem.
bless
So
you,
I'll
sir.
call you.
All right, sir.
Don't worry, more money go for
Okay,
outside.
sir. God bless you, sir. Hey! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Sir, help you close your door.
Wait, stop, you can't understand.
Jesus, na bad luck. Ma, I call keke for you.
No.
Hey,
Oh,
I
God.
want to go now.
I repaired it recently. I gave my mechanic money. You
Eh.
understand? I don't know what you
Call
do
the
like this. So.
mechanic now. Call the mechanic, may he come.
My house no far. It's just here. 10 acres.
That street there. I feel bring that. I know the street.
You see it?
Yes.
Okay. No, while wait. Make I call my girlfriend. Tell her say they come.
Oh, babe, that's my phone.
I know, can't you just ignore it?
Let me just see who is
For
calling.
once, ignore the phone.
Babe, hold on. Go away.
I get it.
Soft boy. Let me know what he's about to say. Hi, baby.
Hello, babe. Man, I don't know what's up, man. The car stopped again.
Oh, I'm so sorry. But I thought he repaired it.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. The mechanic, I don't know. Anyway, I'm sending somebody to the house so that she bring the other phone, the Android phone. Let me give it to her.
Please tell the gate man to inform me when she arrives. Okay?
All right.
I love you too.
That's you're crazy. That's not for you.
Then, okay, yes, just tell her you're from me. She knows. You understand? Thank you.
Come on, stay.
I will stay make
That song will not touch your skin.
Okay. You're right.
God. Oh, wow. Tell what I'll be this one now. No worry. Thank you. No Allah. Thank you.
Could it be here? Now this place though. Now this is class this side. Are you? Jesus Christ. Yeah, so. Jesus. Did they put ties for inside compound? There.
Who be that?
Who's that?
Who be that?
Ah! Spider-Man! There's
Shut up! Wait! Who you be? Wait till you find come. Who you find come?
Who are you, sir?
I don't understand. Yeah, resemble where small children they do Spider-Man way they do Spider-Man.
You are warning me, Abi.
No!
Who are you?
You know the small children. See you. You know they see you. Izaga. Izaga. I they see you. Goliath. Who you find come and call you?
Why are you wearing this clothes? Why is this dressed like this?
You like Amabi?
I like
You know say na Oga be the highest, biggest content creator in this world. Nobody beat am. You know they know this outside they see you like this na content na full everywhere.
You know me now.
I don't mean
So
that.
you TV got
Who you find come? No, they ask me question. So, this is all this one. It's funny, Abi. Who you find come? No, they you they waste my time, oh.
Nah, what's him dying again? Nah, soft boy, that no coin.
So, out of everybody wey dey this area, this street, all the whole ghost, all the whole spirit, na him Oga say make you come collect phone, Abi. Now you dey question me, dey stress me. They go inside, go carry phone.
Ma enter inside, ma tell her say no my.
No worry, you don't be you stand there now. Wait till you remember, you just cross. Just enter inside, they go inside. Come on, they go carry
Why
phone.
you call dressed like King Kong? Your own Spider-Man na mixture of King Kong and Spider-Man.
He concern you. Wait, you should say you be small pikin. The way your man take the run, piri.
You don't even wear pants. Hey, just. Where am I going now?
Come, where you? As you dey go inside now, see that road. Follow there, climb up. You go see parlor there. As you dey waka, just dey waka like that. No spoil anything inside there. No try am. If you are here, listen.
See down, see another.
Now you go show me my Oga house.
Where are the pass exactly?
Down here.
This
you
side.
go up. You come back again. You go see parlor there.
How many rooms this side? How many rooms?
Imagine say me and our village people they discuss how many house dey my Oga house. Madam just dey go. I don't know. They just employ me. If I hear say you spoil something for there, I go use this my way.
3, 4,
Na about home be this.
5.
I go tie you for up. You dey hear me?
5 rooms. Jesus.
You don't conclude. No. We just enter person house. Tie for.
Jesus. Calm down, you now. Now you get house. You're starting more than the belief. God forbid. Is he here? No. Is he here? Because they will celebrate Christmas. Some people get money for this world too. This place no be like heaven. Some people go die, go heaven. While some people go enjoy heaven, still die, go heaven. Oh, Jesus. Money no dey. See 80% build people house, money no dey. Hey, I do my video small. Hello, everybody. This is my house. My new house worth 200 billion. My new house No, this is an fake life. I'm not staying at my new house. I'm not start again. Hello, guys. See my house to be. Just give me 2, 3, 4 years. I go build this house. It's my portion in Jesus' name. Amen. It fits me, Abby. Hey. Jesus, so peace. I don't tell me about him and my body don't. I want to go peace.
Oh, babe! Don't touch me! Leave me alone! Don't touch me! No way! Oh my God! Babe, no! Stop it. Okay. But hold on. No.
Come on, give me this thing.
No way. Why are you acting like the world is coming to an end today?
This is what you keep saying. Let us do this thing now that soft boy is not at home.
Yeah? But actually, I wish I met you first before him.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Because I love you so much.
Wow. Kima, I love you too.
Mm-hmm. Babe, no, stop it. This is the living room, and we cannot do this here.
Come on, let's try something new.
Something new?
Yes, let's be
Here?
adventurous.
No, I don't want it here. Not here.
Come
Here.
on, baby.
Stop it.
You can grab something then. We'll take you from behind.
Mike,
Yeah, baby.
you know you're a bad boy.
You spoiled me.
No way.
You spoiled me. Bad girl.
Mhm.
Yeah, come to think of it.
Okay.
Why did you tell soft boy that you're pregnant?
Oh, that. Okay, Soft is the only child of his parents, and he'll be super excited hearing that I'm pregnant and I'm going to give him kids because he loves kids so much. And again, this is Christmas. I want him to pamper me more and give me more of baby girl lifestyle.
Bad girl.
Then in January, I will tell him, baby, I am so sorry. I miscarried the baby. It's not intentional. I tried all my possible best. I love you so much. Then he will say, don't cry, my love, my queen. I love you so much. Okay, let's go shopping. Let me take you to Doha, to Dubai, things like that. I love that.
You see why I always call you bad girl?
I'm learning from you. You taught me.
And I was even thinking that you're not going to give me this thing because you're pregnant.
Hey, hold this there. With or without pregnancy, you're not going to see my panties. I'm not going to give you.
Yeah,
I'm not that cheap.
I'm going to do it right.
Do
Trust
waiting.
me. I'll do it.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
Where is that noise coming from? Do we have ghosts?
It's me, Jesus. Hey,
Who are you?
Jesus.
How did you get in here?
Who are you, sir? Sorry, I got a Neto.
What are you doing here?
Net, I got a
Who are you?
I got a net.
Shut up. Who are you? How did this thing get into my house? What are you doing here? Who sent you?
I got a
Who
net.
paid you to come here?
I got a net.
That's what?
Inside this bathroom, yeah.
You go about people's house?
No.
Messing it up?
No, I enter. It's soft boy. Soft boy.
Oh, my man?
Your man?
My man, yes.
Your man.
Yes!
Soft boy, he say man, come. Come this house,
He
collect
sent
phone.
you here.
I can't. The piece can't worry me. I can't use this one right there.
You stole from me.
No.
Dust yourself. You stole from me. Oh, this girl.
Net, I got in net too.
How did you get in here? You fermented thing. Huh? You replicant of God forbid. You go about people's home stealing from them. That's it.
Now, why they insult me
Babe,
now?
I'll be upstairs.
Did you steal from me?
Hey, see me wahala. You know there when I enter.
I don't need to know you because right now you're looking like a bandit.
No, insult me now. If you insult me, I go insult you back, oh.
You talking back at
Mommy,
me?
I get my house for head, though.
You talking back at me?
No.
I can beat you to death. I will beat you till you melt on this floor.
Keep quiet.
Look at this replicant of God forbid.
So now only use this time.
Spider-Man!
I get like you go fight finish, you go get bad character.
Spider-Man!
Nah.
Where is this unfortunate Spider-Man?
Madam, see me here. Madam, see me here.
Who is this?
Wait in it. What this one, huh? You step aside. Madam, wait on.
Who is this thing?
Madam, now as I dey for gate, now I see this small pikin. So you talk say no, Oga tell her make you come collect phone for your hand. So you know say Oga be come, he tell me say he the same person. So Oga tell me say he don already.
Shut up.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
So, why didn't you call me on her arrival?
Nah, Oga tell me. Say,
Why didn't you let me know before you let her into my house?
sorry, madam.
Really content house.
Sorry, madam.
You are gone.
You shut up.
Watch this thing closely.
Okay, ma.
She looks like a thief.
No. When are they here?
Make
Madam.
sure she has not stolen from me.
Eh? You don't
Because I won't take
collect anything.
Me stolen from you.
Why would my sweet soft boy send unfortunate premature creature like you into this?
Keep on insulting me. Yeah? Now just one thing I go tell you. Your life will change. You go cry your entire life.
You are not only poor, but you're mannerless. You're too wretched for my liking.
Okay.
See how she's dressed.
Alright.
Watch her.
Oh, already I'm here.
If anything gets missing,
No, ma.
you will go missing.
Okay, ma.
It's a promise.
Okay, ma.
I want to go get the phone.
No problem.
Watch her closely. Watch her!
No problem, madam.
She looks like a thief.
Wait till small.
You look like a bandit. You look like a bandit.
Wait till small pikin for TikTok they do for live. Now you dey do.
You look like a bandit.
I
I blame you not. I blame soft boy. Bandits in my house. Holy Moses. Oh, I need to call 911. I need to call the police.
They won't call police for you like this. No, vex. That's what she dey do. Eh? That's so my madam na very wicked woman. Eh? She no dey respect anybody. She no even regard anybody. No only that in boyfriend when he don't see her. But I say na my oga na Odogun, the biggest content creator in this world. You know na. So na only when he see her, now he dey relax, now he dey keep quiet. But me no reason na na normal thing na so he dey be.
Pwa.
Eh?
Get out.
They pour me spit. The person who I dey help, they pour me spit. See, make you stay here, no go anywhere because if I hear anything again, I go beat you at the ground. Trust me. Eh? If they buy it for that concern.
You smell like Christmas boots. Okay, go find finish. Get back character.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't take it. I cannot. Oh, my heart is palpitating. My heart is palpitating right now. A minus. A minus. You know, you look like a question mark. You're a suspect. I won't let you get me. Perfect. I'm going to drop this phone over there. I don't care. I don't care if your hand can get up to this place or not. That's your own cup of tummy, because you can't afford a glass of champagne. Rubbish.
Oh, bunch.
There's something. Hey!
Now me arrange and I me touch am before.
Don't touch it. You can't afford it.
No, see you
So
wait go afford
you're
am.
smelling of poverty.
You wait for afford am. Why you dey squat for man house? You dey afford am. You no get money, now you make you dey squat for man house.
Oh boy. My baby, did you hear that? Oh, baby, did you hear that? She just insulted me. This thing just rained insult on me. Oh.
It's okay.
It's not okay! It's not okay! It's not! I am not okay! I'm not! Did you hear what she just said to me?
But that was so harsh, the way you spoke to her.
She insulted me. What if she has stolen my beautiful portrait? What? Stolen something from this house? You know,
She doesn't look like a thief.
she's a bandit. She looks like a bandit. See how she's dressed. See how she walks. See how little she looks. She looks like she's a god forbid from another planet. I can't fathom it. I am so heartbroken. I need to breathe. I need to breathe. Soft is cheating on me. He is cheating
Call your mechanic. Not they carry the car. Come on.
What's happening now? What's happening? Eh? People.
Nothing. Just call
Oh,
her.
tell me now, why your face spoil like this?
I don't know. I'm not saying the mood again, I beg.
Anything happen for us?
Mama talk. Now the girlfriend where you keep for house. I mean, you don't tell her side before.
Tell her now, what's happening?
So when she come up, I reached there. That the kind of store where she give. Okay, I reached there. I come the I come one call urinate and a few press. Now I enter the toilet, go in it. As I come out, I see her. She starts to insult me. She give me insult when nobody don't ever give me for this life.
Are you serious?
She dey insult me. They say I be fermented creature. I be this one. She dey insult me. I don't understand.
No verse.
For help, one help.
Sorry.
Hello, babe.
Please don't baby me. What's wrong with you? The girl I sent to come and pick up my phone, why did you speak to her like that?
Babe, can you just slow down? How am I supposed to know she was the one? Huh? I told the gate man to let me know the moment she arrives, and he didn't. So it's not my fault.
But you knew somebody was coming. You should have figured she was the one. Haba, this is the girl I want to use for the content now. You know this. Didn't you recognize
How am I
her?
supposed to know, babe? I was frightened seeing a total stranger in our living room. So, I'm sorry anyway.
She's the one who deserves an apology.
So, I just said I'm sorry. Just tell her. She's there with you, right? Tell her I said I'm sorry.
I'm not there in the mood.
Say sorry now, babe.
Okay, just sorry. Sorry won't solve everything. I beg, I don't get time. Mercy, no, I don't
Why
hear.
they do like this now? You don't want me to do the content again?
We'll talk that one later. I don't hear the sorry. Just call a mechanic, yeah?
Thank you.
Hello?
Yeah. Oh, no. Ooh. Yeah. It's a season of love, joy, peace, and happiness. It's something you can get anywhere.
You see the music again. My sister. I don't like this thing when you dey do. Why your face dey like this? I don't say you don't think of this Momo boy. Stop now. If you start this thing with me too, I go start to dey cry. Wetin be all this thing now? Me, I go start to dey. I don't tire.
Pain me. Still they pain me.
I know, but it's not a good thing.
6 years. 6 years I deal with one man. Nothing I no do for him. I cook food, give her. I give her money when he don't get anything, when he dey broke. I give her my time. I know they see any other person, na only him I dey see. I think say na me and him dey. I don't even know say he keep another woman somewhere. Even get pikin.
You're not a good thing.
Oh, you know go better for polycarp. You know go better for polycarp. You know go better for polycarp for this life. You know go better for him.
Okay, you deal with this kind of person. You know, every time God say, you know, they see one dot on your body. You know, say, if not be God, you're supposed to see plenty mark for your body. You're supposed to thank God. Okay, by the name, say Polycarp. Your man not tell you, say, this kind of person, it might not go do. Who they answer that kind of name for this world, this kind of generation? This is our Gen Z world. You answer Polycarp. Polycarp. Yeah. No, they think of that thing. But old things are passed away. Let new things come. New ones will come. Life will continue. Yeah. Don't kill yourself. You don't chop.
No one's chopping it. No.
What do you mean by you know they chop now? No, they do me this thing now. Man, they suffer. I will go market, come back now. Can't they bother again about it's no good now. No, they do me this thing. Like saying my story will change your mood now. For me, I get this. Not just you. You ready to listen? You not gonna listen to my gist with tears.
I'm gonna listen now. Then listen. I know the tear.
You know, saying anytime what they say, I always they sing so that I go the vibe, make the vibe be there. So you get one man way come. He come to do, but according to him, he say he come before. Come record me after they sing that thing. Come post them online.
Why?
Say wait now. So as he come post them, people come like the thing. Come they tell and say making record more about me. Say they want more video about me. So he can't even dash me money. Just to come and show me.
Say lie.
Dash me, sir. Big money. So I seen dash me the money. I seen dash me the money. He can't say he come today again so that we'll snap and do another video. So I can't happy tell and say I thank you, say me I go do one because he tell me say if I do that, so I go make plenty money. Come tell and say no problem. So as we can't discuss finish, you can't say in car don't spoil you. Say the phone where you saving mechanic number they house and all those towing people they talk to know the work. I can't tell and say because I the joy you are they happy. I can't tell and say okay no problem. Make me quickly go in the house, go bring that in phone. It's so okay. I can't go in the house, go bring the phone, come get that.
Somebody can't give you this kind of money. You do well, oh. I say help a man with
I ain't say very smart, go turn celebrity.
this money big go.
And I meant.
Now this 50,000.
Which?
Yes, now 100 the shot. Don't like to just carry cut them into to give you one. I'm telling you. I'm just not a good person.
My good man. My name now soft boy. So I reaching out. I see one woman like that. I don't know whether I'm a girlfriend though. I've been a wife though. I've been a no. That one is fine. Get big bum but nothing come out. She even insult me say I small. Say I be like small rat. She go insult me my eyes.
Who be the person? The person with the grace?
Say I be like chewing gum. If she chew me, she go throw me come out.
She's a mad.
They insult my heart. Say I don't know.
Something they do her. She don't know now.
I don't know why I be say anybody way good. They always attach them with bad people. They're bad character. What for it?
Hey!
I will show you the video I do for the house, but I'm going to go big food.
Oh, you do video for there?
Yes, now.
Let me see the house. Are you serious?
But if you think that kind of house, no, you know video. Make your time in the way. Have a food for yourself. I got plenty gist.
I agree now. See you the face. Don't make me that. Don't they okay? Yeah, that man a good person. No. Not even bring.
I don't know why you not talk so back for me.
Don't share me up now. I can now. I go now shop.
I watch my video. You
get the video where you say you make. You don't eat, so give me only one spoon. Is that okay?
Yes. Like food.
Yeah. For this life, get person where they take care of you. Look at face where when you do it, can we not do it? It's nice.
Jesus.
What's in that?
How come?
What's in that?
What's happen?
Anna, some people say fair. Hey, Jesus. Make a take a back small. Let me watch this film from here. Yeah.
What happened? Who is the girl?
This girl, you know this man, this soft boy, what I say, man, I go in house. I go in house. Now this girl be the girlfriend where insult me now.
The girl where they insult? Now we there with your boyfriend.
No, be this one be the boyfriend. The boyfriend now the one who send me go the house. The one where give me this money. The soft boy now the boyfriend. This one I don't know him. Now be say she dey cheat on the boyfriend. I be like the husband. I don't know.
Wait. This person now, where I dey say for this guy now. You see this guy where you go there?
Yes. But I not say them do anything, no.
How did they get the video?
I don't know. I just keep my. I been they do video like I tell you. I just keep my phone. They do video. I can't run. Now go quickly use the toilet. And they come back again. I can't see two of them for parlor. I don't even know say my phone record two of them or so. I don't be me even intentionally record them. I don't record them. I swear. I just see my phone and they do my video.
Hey! Hey!
Yeah.
Hey!
Women. She can't even get mad. They insult me. Oh.
See how God don't carry her enemy put for your hand. You know the reason what are the reason?
Sure now.
Now your weapon of warfare be this.
I go use them against her. I go use this thing against her. This thing, she get mad to insult me.
Hey!
As this soft boy brother, he say he want make 2 of us shoot Christmas content. I go show am shake it.
Hey!
I don't know why.
You see this life, you see for this life,
She has to laugh.
no, they look people down. No know how God they work things. God just package this girl now. Carry and put for your hand. That's what you hold her now.
God give me my enemy for my hand. See my hand do abacha. So I go use am do abacha. Sister, me I like the way they laugh.
No, because it's funny now.
You say when I come inside, you they cry. Now you they laugh.
You know, say, people will get yash. You don't know how they take use as that. Just like Polycarp. Polycarp yash.
You know, sir, no worry. We go teach them how to sit down with that. You see, you they cry. They cry say person when no get sense leave you. Now, woman where they with man where get sense, they misuse the opportunity. Say
no
like no balance. You they cry say Mumu leave you. Mumu can't stay with person where get sense. They fuck up.
Na rhymes be this.
I'm telling you.
Na rhymes. Person where they cry say Mumu leave am.
Eh.
Mumu dey with somebody.
They mess up.
Oh. Make I eat my food though.
This
girl. God don't punish you.
I'll keep the video. I mean that's
now.
Give me the number now.
Wait till you won't use my madam number too.
No be everybody wey wan collect number get bad intentions though. Me I don come here before. Me I suppose don dey rapport now. Give me now.
They go ask, I know they give you that number.
No one give me. You don't even know what I want use and do. Just dey.
I know they give you. No be this one. No be too much talk. They go ask. No, I know they give anybody man.
No give me.
Hey, I know they give.
No give me. She sure. No give me.
I know they give. They go your house.
No give me.
I know they give.
You know give.
There's
You
nothing
sure?
can move me.
You sure? Are you sure you not give me? No, Alana. I'm going. No, going. No, give me. Go be now.
Wait. If your body dey hot, if I leave you now, you go carry that money come out.
No, give me.
Eh?
Go
See, make
give
I
me.
tell you the truth. I no be say I won't give the number. But the truth of the matter be say, this my madam na very wicked woman. She no get respect at all. You get? So wetin happen now be say me I wan make me and you collabo, join hand, teach am better
No,
lesson.
wetin me and you talk. Oh, no go put me for wahala. No put me for talk, uncle. Wetin I want na number. Oh, they talk rubbish.
Give me your phone, make I give you the number. Make give me the number talk. Come for here.
Take. Give me number.
No go call kidnapper for my madam. Oh. Just they give you this number. Give me the money.
Number
Make I
correct.
Why no go collect? Give me the money. Make I come up for here.
Swear, say correct.
I swear. You correct.
If you no correct, your mama go die.
Wait, you should just say this person is small picking up in a old woman. Why they give me a beast? Now say they take it.
That's the money now.
That's the money you remove all this money to give me now. Why?
I don't remember to give you.
No, you remove it. You say going.
show you. I remember today say I carry money.
No, they do like that. No, they do like that.
Uncle Kanda, no rush life. I will the team I show you say going, I get money.
So now 1K now you give me, Abi. Make a 5K now number give you. You need that number. You need them pass me.
You need that 1K pass me.
Now wow. Now 1K I take stay my madam. Afterwards, not be only Judas Iscariot they sell Jesus. Me self I don't follow step by that. Alpha, if you need my organ number, come I go still give you. If not that 15.
So no worry, I go send her later, yeah? I go send her later so that her mind go there. By the time she watch the video, she go fear and she go call me. In fact, no need of even send me the video later. I go send her na. So that she go begin to think about her life. So when she get mad to the insult person, Abi. No worry. Ma send her na. I go call you later, yeah? Oh yeah, no worry.
Wait.
My sweet angel.
Babe.
I'm here.
What?
I'm not going anywhere.
What?
Yeah,
Okay, baby, I think that's my phone. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I have a message. Help me with my phone, please. Oh, stop! I think I like it.
I know it.
Do that again. Do that again. Okay. Oh, yes. Babe!
What is the matter? What is it? Jesus. Who sent you this? I mean, how did you get this? How did this person record us? How did this person record us?
I don't know.
How did you get that?
Oh my God, what do I do? Maybe I should call the number. Yes.
This one is 2K. This one is 3K, yes. We have put down 223 43 45 609. Yes. Oh yeah, now thank you, sir. Hey, thank you, sir. Hey, I don't say one.
Please, Yes? Hello? Who are you?
What's the problem? Why are you disturbing me now? Who is this?
I am sorry. I just want to know who you are. You sent me a video on my phone. Please, who are you?
My name is Favor. The girl where you shot that the way I come in the house, come collect your other phone. I call on a pardon. God, they shot me, Abby. Today night, they call me for phone. What is it? What do you want? What do you want from me?
Oh, you? I am sorry.
Don't they call me back? I'm a busy person. Do you understand? I'm not a free person like you. I work for a living, so I'm working. Don't call me again, I beg.
No. Hold on, please. Don't end the call. Hold on. I am sorry. I am truly sorry. I am usually not like that. Okay, tell me, what do I do to earn your forgiveness? I am sorry. I'm truly sorry, please.
This energy you're using to call me, use it and think about your life. Because very soon, your life is gonna be an end for you. Alright? Bye, thank you.
Hello? Favor? Hello?
I don't say one though, I don't say one. You want buy? You want? You want? I don't say one though.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Please, I am sorry. Soft boy is everything to me. He must not find out about the video. If he does, he will leave me. My brother will drop out of school. As I'm talking to you right now, my mother is lying sick in the hospital and he pays the bill. Without soft boy, my life and that of my family will be mess, a total mess and miserable. Please, I'm begging you.
You don't know these things where they talk before. No before. Some days back, now you did the amount, blah, they call my sister. You need all the names waiting for this word, you call them, not you call them thing.
I go show you.
No, don't set now. Everything what you do to them, she will do you back.
They play. I will do it start to say if you see stranger, if you see person to insult, go they even weak you.
I am sorry. I am totally sorry. Okay, tell me how much. How much will it cost? I'll pay you any amount.
Ma, leave somebody, you go give me better money. Who you be? You don't want?
I am sorry, please. I know I am the cause of this. I am the one on the video. He must not see that video.
Auntie, I dey even come on our house, come do Christmas content in case you don't know. I go show on that video. That time your body go know.
You go see
No, please don't. Hey, my phone.
This girl no get sense. You see how they play with her? I don't understand. See matter where the ground, if they waka comot. I don't forgive this. I go show them that video. But she go. But we never even conclude. She don't even come out. That's disrespect.
She go come back. May we see.
Yes, Mike. What's going on?
Honestly, I don't know. The gate man just called me a few minutes ago that Sugar Boy slumped in his room.
Slumped? Yes. How? He was okay when I left him this morning.
Alright, the only thing you should do now is just hurry home. Okay? I'm on my way as well.
Okay. Alright, perfect. I'm on my way.
So,
Babe!
Okay, just fall for ground though.
Fall where?
Yes, come make I go show you. Come make I go show you. You there? Come make I go show you.
Hello, baby.
So,
Babe. Stacy.
Babe.
I have so much to say, but I just can't find the words, so I'm going to speak from my heart. You are the peace to my mind, the joy in my life, the love of my life. You just make things right and everything makes sense with you. And that's why I'm going to ask you, Stacy, will you marry me?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, babe, I'll marry you.
Yeah. Oh, no. It's a season of love.
Like say she dey cruise. She say me I dey play with her. Make she dey play now. I'm not go tell am.
Okay, what's be that?
I get them mad. Na me she want call the Oppo iPhone. She want the use style for me.
Now the girl just call again.
And they call but that soft boy, ma tell her now, ma cast the thing for her. She still say she want me. Make she dey now, make she dey. I might go tell her. Ma cast everything. Make everything just see 30 minutes. Since 30 minutes when she come out here, she never want to come back. Oh. Okay, for her mind now, she feel like say I no fit that video against her. She feel like say that video no go fear her. Make she no worry now. She don't know who she dey do. I go cast her. Nothing go happen. Don't worry.
The way that girl take hurriedly come off for here, me and they suspect say something dey wrong somewhere. See that girl. Because if he even say you don't even this video now when she the call, you don't put us for wahala for you know never can tell.
I want to put up for wahala. What be say now we get the video?
But we made the video without her consent. Now the reason on our side. No, we just calm down. Yes. Make you no come be say we don't get over. You know, understand what I talk. So calm down. We'll go use this thing. We'll go use them later. We'll go talk about this thing. Calm down. Yeah.
I know the lie make person they look me less. Especially when they look wetin I fit do you. Wetin you know say they clear. You see they look me less. They look my power less. No wahala now. I dey watch. Even I was today.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. And I love you.
I love you too.
Because of love. Cause love never hurts. Love is peace. Love is peace. Love is kindness.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it's this girl, the girl I want to do content with.
Oh, babe, are you sure you want to take that?
Yeah, I do. It's ringing. That girl that you insulted. Hello?
Hello? But that soft boy.
But first of all, say hello to the newest groom to be in town. I just proposed to my girlfriend right now.
He just the one that insulted me.
Yeah, and I'll apologize on her behalf, okay? Don't worry, we're gonna shoot plenty content together. Okay?
No. I can't pay. Okay. My auntie is calling me. Let me go answer.
Alright.
Babe, what did she say?
You heard now. You were sitting right here. You heard everything she said. Come here.
What is it, right?
This man is this. Don't have sense. See, he tell me say he propose to Ramo. I'm telling you, person wey want save you from you, they propose. Like people no even really they think something. I want come out you from something. Don't quickly go and engage. Like what's that thing in engaging? Any small thing engage. What's that thing with engage? If you not engage, you know go reason where. True.
You don't engage.
I'm telling you. Oh yeah now, you don't be for her. Oh God that join together, who are we to put asunder? Something will just they want do something. You don't go pull ring. You not think, you just gonna pull ring. It's just easy for all of them to be putting ring. No reason. You just carry ring and put somebody. Oh yeah, it don't be for you now. You and the ring, all of you. Now go yeah.
Since this man now come begin suffer for man, woman no like him. When man down on that man. Hey.
You don't even green make her tell and what they call now. You just tell me I'm speaking to the latest groom. Who groom help? Who like the groom help? What wanna do for the groom?
You know what will happen. You see this video where we get like this, Keep her. See this video. We feel use them in future. Yes, one day, this video where they are home. Go they used to. So no worry yourself. No worry.
Every time ring, they rush engagement.
Every same type where Polika engage. It's a time.
Don't even worse. Because you won't start the rush for your hand. God forbid.
What are we going to do now?
I am totally blanked. I have nothing upstairs. I don't know what we're going to do. Why is all of this happening now that he has proposed?
Oh my God. I'm finished. Listen, I still need soft boy in my life. What are we going to do now? Or should we just go ahead and confess?
Confess? No, you cannot confess. You can't do that to me. No, I know I'm confused for now, but I'll figure out something. You can't confess. Oh. Hi, babe.
Hey, Mo, what's up?
Do you have a minute?
Yeah, what's up? Talk to me, baby.
Okay, it's about the content girl. But I feel there is something about her, my spirit does not accept her. What if we get someone else to do this Christmas content with us?
Babe, you saw the last one that I did. You saw how well it did. I don't think there's anybody that can pull the traffic this girl is pulling.
No, babe. The thing there is, we don't have to be stagnant. We can try someone else. Something better can even come up.
What do we have to go for somebody else when we already have this girl? Let's give her a try now.
Babe, my instinct do not lie. This girl have this negative force around her and all of that. I feel we should get someone else, babe.
I already told her we're coming.
Really?
Yeah. Don't worry, everything will go well.
Sure.
Okay?
Not like I don't like that, but
Favor!
She don't go market. Favor!
Sister, I never go market. Kadiri, Papa.
You get what I do recently?
What's it again?
That video where they are from. I want to make you forget about using that video on that girl. Make you no use that small thing now. Spoil one good thing where God want to do for you. You see as they go, waiting be that guy name?
Soft life.
Soft life.
Soft boy.
Okay, soft boy. As they go in house now. You never know. God feel bless you from there. Make that video where they are phone no come be problem. Give.
Maybe say you talk at me. Me, I don't using the thing. But no, because I go delete the video. I know delete that. I go still take my phone, but I no go use that against that.
Sure.
Yes, I promise you. I know use that because now I even think say as long as say she don't already feel say or she don't already know say I get that video, she no go do anyhow. You understand? She will still get time for me say this girl gets my video. Now no go misbehave.
Some people know they be Chris. That's the way that man, but make you just forget about them.
I
Yeah?
no go use that against that, but I no go still delete that. In case of it.
See you now. You could just come out now. Go that soft boy house now. Go stay do Christmas, they do content, they go. Me I go come dey this house. Only me go dey. I go dey finish. The next now I carry my bag, they go village.
No two reason I'm not being. If you still want my constant Christmas with you, I go just they go the control. That's even true. I even tell and say make me and you go.
He go gree.
I know, I mean need them. Don't be need me for content. I go tell and say no fit stay in house alone. No, say me can carry you go. You no even know that lady because of that video. Wow, she feel wake up for 1 midnight like this. Strangle me now.
They born away. Me try am. You never know. No who your Mactasin be. Me wey be your backbone, your bouncer.
So I tell her make talk for school.
You say.
And you know say if you follow me go there, that lady, hey, she go dey fear.
Why?
So when they see her straight, because you know say you find person now.
Eh?
So when they feel like say maybe you want snatch her boyfriend.
What don't old for house man?
Now you know you say you find person.
I find person.
No, you find person where.
Are you serious?
Then she fair, she will able to like you. She fine. You get body shape person. She fine, but.
If you agree now, we go together. If you don't agree, God, I go day here. Day this place.
If you know that, go tell us that no go. Go.
But you go. No, you go. Very good to have come for you. I go talk and stand against them. It's not possible. You go. Okay, as we don't agree now, it's okay. When you the go shop, I will know the go.
Ma just ring outside the dragon for clean.
Okay.
What's up? Nothing, you did come out?
Yes, now they come out.
Soft, your woman seems not to like what you're about to do. If you ask me, I will tell you to listen to her. You know, these pregnant women, they are sometimes spiritual.
How does that even make sense, bro? Are you serious? Guy, this is what I do. This is what I use to provide for everybody. Besides, I've already done a video with this girl and people like it. So what are you talking about?
I know, but this is your woman we are talking about. And she's pregnant. If she doesn't like something, sacrifice it for her.
Guy, calm down now. Where is this coming from? Was there something I need to know? What's going on now?
Why do you talk like that?
Hey, so what's it they talk now?
Nothing they go on.
I better go.
I'll do your thing now. This guy, they know they ever convince you for something. Any small thing, you want to do your own.
What did he say? What did he say?
The guy no agree. You know soft boy. Once he sees something that will give him money, he will just go ahead and do it without looking back.
We are finished. I know the moment he sets his eyes on the video, he's certainly going to post it.
I know.
Don't tell me you know. What are we going to do?
I don't know. I don't talk to the guy. The guy no green. So I don't know what to do.
So you never can tell, you know. Something big can come out of this. Brands might see this and start coming for you. But for now, I need to collaborate with you.
It's not bad though. As long as money to come up, I don't get any used to. Action and money all of us to work for.
Okay, that's fine. That's why I came to pick you up. All the shoots will be happening at my place.
I'm not saying me, I don't really know you. I don't feel when they stay in the midst of people who I know you. You know, they bother me.
Well, I have 2 rooms in the house. I don't know, your aunt can come with you if that's not a problem.
It is not a problem. You don't even think of how what they spend this Christmas alone. She does not mind.
You agree?
I agree now. If you go with me, we stay here alone because she's gonna think of heartbreak.
Heartbreak?
Don't worry, it's a long story. Story for another day.
Okay, no problem. Anyway, I'll be outside. I'll be in the car. So when you're ready, you can join me.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey!
This day work.
You walk.
We'll go spend Christmas for that bigger easy house.
The house fine?
That house, I never see that kind of house for my life. You see all this movie where they act? I never see that kind of house for a side movie before.
And the house fine, alright.
That would be like Garden of Eden.
Hey! Hey,
Go
see
there,
me.
go
What do you think of how I want to go village for Christmas?
Maybe you go there think of that stupid boy. I don't go ever call a boy now. Old man. I bet we'll go enjoy our life for. But somehow, I don't want to go with my future stone. I don't fear.
What will make you feel? When you get that thing first, I happen. That be what they happen, eh? My weapon of warfare.
Yeah, no, good.
You're still here?
Mike, you do not understand this thing. That girl might decide to spill it all. I am scared. I'm really scared. I don't want to lose my man.
I understand, but for now we don't know anything, right? So we must maintain and keep cool.
Daddy! Oga, I should open the boot. We carry my sister inside the boot. Lord of Jesus. You again?
Bring the box.
This one? Okay, what is she going to do for you?
Bring the box.
She make madam want slap me already. Madam,
Okay.
so,
This is where we'll be shooting some content. Okay. This is where we'll be doing it. We'll also be shooting some inside. Don't worry about it. Give me that, give me that.
You're saying that this house is a content house. Everybody na content.
yes. Okay, no what I go use my hand and reach there. No worry. No stress yourself.
Follow me.
Yes, sir.
Uncle Junior, that's it.
Okay. This is where we'll be filming.
She also brought her aunt.
I don't know.
Why? My guy, I'm scared. I told you. I don't want to lose him. I don't want to lose him. Look, I'm engaged. He asked me to marry him. What am I going to do? What? I feel like I'm going to die.
Maintain. Yes,
I
calm down.
can't.
Listen.
How do I maintain?
Listen.
How do I even breathe?
Can you listen to me?
I'm listening.
She has not said anything to him.
Okay.
And your boyfriend hasn't reacted yet. So you must calm down.
Okay.
Alright, calm down. They are here already. Come. Sit.
See, our kitty dance on the ground.
Yeah. So welcome to my home. This is
Baby. My love.
Hi. This is my best friend Michael, and this is my baby.
Yes.
She's actually pregnant, and I proposed to her a few days ago.
Yes, we're pregnant.
Yeah, baby. What's funny? Why are you laughing?
No, we're just surprised. Like, it's a shock to us.
Oh, okay.
Congratulations. You're pregnant. Yeah, our baby.
Congratulations, bros. Your house fine.
Thank you. Anyway, you guys have already congratulated my woman.
Congratulations.
Yes. I also want to use this opportunity to apologize on her behalf. Okay? I hope you're not angry, Favor.
Angry for waiting? Not. I'm not getting any wahala. If I see anger, I don't feel conscious now. I'm money-minded person, I be.
Really? Thank you so much. I'm usually not like that anyway. You know, this pregnancy hormone and...
I understand. Yes.
Yeah. Maybe take them to the room that I prepared for them.
Oh, for them?
Yeah.
My head.
That's all right, baby.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, let's go.
Please follow me.
My bag. I cannot carry it.
You cannot carry back.
Your bag? Why not? Your bag. Yeah, maybe you see. I'm so generous.
Yeah.
Oh, your bag.
Bro, come. See, we need to start writing immediately. Even if not tomorrow, we need to shoot.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay, trust me, done.
Good.
Done.
Babe, easy. Are you okay?
Yeah, I got it, babe.
All right.
I'll write
That's
it.
all right.
I'll write it.
Okay, this is the room where you girls will be staying.
Hey!
Sister, we do that thing now. We're going to make her feel like to the house now.
I beg, leave me enjoy. Make her, for the first time in my life, make her enjoy good place, comfortable house.
Oh, well, it's okay. I know you are not used to this kind of place, so enjoy it. I won't mock you for that.
Okay, hear her. She says she no go mock me. Hey! It's fine. Hey!
A favor, I would like to talk to you about the video you sent to me that we talked about the other time. I'm sorry I haven't reached out to you. I got engaged, so I also got carried away. So I am begging you so we can have understanding. Please do not let my man get a hold of that video. It will be really messy.
Now, begging somebody asking that did like a man joke, and you're speaking for me. Like, you're not even serious. So. At all, the thing is not even touching you. No, they tell you something, they do galadima. I see say it's no concern. No, they play. Continue fooling yourself. One day you go know. As I don't call this, I don't know you. You don't know me. So make everybody just do on their own. You hear me? Come off my room.
That's fine. I believe we have an understanding now. Okay, enjoy your stay. Welcome to our home.
Come out too. Come out from my room.
See your room. You say, no, she come out for your room. Now you get the room. Look, me and you take this room.
Me and you take. What be that? Come on here now. It's not mine. It's not because of me you are here. I only escort you.
I don't say no be small insult. What they give me like this? That's small insult they give me like this.
I just want to tell her, see now.
Hey! See me in the house!
Are you serious?
Not serious.
They believe us if we go to the kitchen, go to this dress.
No, again, no, we have to carry the kitchen and fill around the house.
Hey!
Daddy, I got everywhere, see everything. The house fine.
Me good though. Don't be that showing me and Polycarp they do for them.
Who's that now? Okay.
Nashi.
That's you. That's you. I don't need to get up from you.
Babe, what's up? Why are you looking at me like that?
Soft. Isn't it obvious my opinion do not count in this house anymore? Babe, I pleaded with you to not bring that girl into our home. Instead, you neglected me. You do not even care how I feel. Is it fair?
Yeah.
No, why would you bring her into our home?
They're here. I don't want them to hear what we're saying. You understand? That girl is going to make us a lot of money.
Is she the only talented human being on this earth? Soft, I am talking to you. You don't even care how I feel. Really?
More money.
Yes.
More money.
More
More babies.
Yes.
So it's a fruitful partnership, everybody. Yes.
Oh, are you okay? Do you want more?
Mom? No, say I did with you.
No, if you want more, that's enough food
I
for you.
want that one, yeah. That your chicken. That's what I want.
My chicken?
That your chicken. That's what I want.
You want?
Oh, no, don't worry. We have more here.
I like that particular part of the chicken.
She likes chicken breast.
Because I respect my dynamic and talk. But
It's alright, you can have it. Maybe you can give her, you can take her another one.
Yes, sure.
Also, you know the vex.
No, I'm very generous. I actually like chicken breast.
And I actually like it more.
Chicken breast.
Hey. Yeah.
You like the food, right?
Sweet.
Yeah.
Or the games.
Yeah, the games rather.
Yeah.
So guys, we are going to start. We have 3 games to play right now.
Okay.
One is the treasure hunt.
Okay.
Then secondly is the advertisements.
Alright.
Once I throw the contents to anybody, you start explaining anything you know about the content. Then the treasure will go by, will live here. He will hide all these treasure boxes.
Okay.
Then we'll come back and look for
And
it.
look for
Whatever
it.
I see inside is yours. Some are empty, some are not empty. So I will tell you the ones that are empty and the ones that have something inside.
Okay.
And last but not the least, we are going to do singing. And it's going to be a Christmas song.
Okay.
Yes. When you're choosing,
Yes.
we'll tell you to sing a Christmas song.
Oh, okay.
When you fail to sing, when you sing and fail, where is our powder?
Oh, I'm a
Our
makeup
powder will go on your face. So guys, let the game begin.
Okay.
So all of us will leave now so that he will dispose this treasure box. We'll start from treasure. I'm myself. Let's go, guys.
I know my baby will help me find a better way. Okay.
Where are you? Come on, inside.
Action.
Where are they?
Okay.
You find something nice and new.
Yes, I found something.
I got one.
I found something.
Okay, so Favor, what do you have?
Wow.
Okay, sing a Christmas song.
Okay.
Now.
Let's go with you.
Okay.
Sing a Christmas. Is it me that is going first? Not me to go first.
Yes.
Hey, well. Okay, sing a Christmas song. Silent night, holy night, silent night, holy night, daddy, silent night, holy night, Chineke,
But what is the name of and bang?
Okay. Since we're going like this, let me pick a phone. Okay. Take me shopping.
Oh, that's me!
Are you gonna take me shopping? Baby?
No, baby, you're taking me.
But I know you're gonna take me shopping.
No, I'm taking. Oh,
Yeah.
No, I'm the babe. Okay.
Let me see yours.
Sing me a love song.
Let's go.
This supposed to sing this?
Okay, sing me a love song.
I don't know. Okay.
Okay.
Baby,
Let's
I just
go.
don't get it.
Oh.
Do you enjoy being hurt?
Yeah.
You know you smell the perfume.
Wow.
You make the funny shirt. You don't believe it's done. Oh my God. You're all wrong. Bad as you want. Stick around.
Awesome. I have the best man here. Love you.
Yeah, that's my tone. My tone, I don't have anything. Yeah.
He's got the money.
I
He's got the money. He's got the
only
money.
have okay.
This is
I wish I picked that.
I don't understand. Did you two plan this?
No, we did not.
We go share the money.
Don't worry, look, I will be giving you guys one after another.
I get this one where they say, take me to Doha.
So he's going to take you to Doha. It's Doha, not Dola. It's
So
Doha.
he's taking you to
It's
Doha.
Qatar.
Yeah.
Pick one person.
Don't worry.
Pick one person.
With the money you
The
make
man
from
with the
content.
biggest money.
Yeah. All right, guys.
That was a good game. That was
So we'll go for the second game.
Okay.
Which are supposed to be. Yeah. Once I
You
throw
think
it
you
to
want to drink from me? Are you thirsty? Do you want me to get you water? Okay.
So once I throw it to any of you, claiming whatever you
And if you fail,
And powder.
All right, let's go.
If you fail, we take your money. If you do,
I will take money.
Okay, let's go.
no. Okay, this is Mama Mayonnaise. It's good. You can eat salad. You can use it for breakfast, your dinner, anything. It has vitamin A, which is good for your eyes. I got it.
you got it.
Yeah, you got it. Let's go sit down,
Did
guys.
you hear what you said?
I said something, right?
Yeah, she said something. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Next person. Advertise this.
This thing na juice. They drink this juice. They use them. What do they do dinner? If you don't go out, if you don't carry them, go out. Put them in the pocket.
Yeah, next. Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
You do your outfit so that you don't smell. Hey, God, I beg. Let me chill.
Onion is a vegetable. You use it for spice. You use it to eat.
Go,
It's
baby.
good for your eyesight. It's
Go,
good for your health.
My baby got it. Onion is a vegetable.
Now
It's
you
good.
go through.
Now you go through.
Oh my God. People are cheating, oh.
Yeah, this is pen. We use it to write.
before. Have you seen my wristwatch? Babe.
What?
My wristwatch and my money, have you seen it?
No, I don't know where they are.
Babe, if this is a prank, okay, don't do this. I need my wristwatch. Please.
Babe, I'm serious. I'm not. I don't know where you kept them.
What is the fine? What is the fine?
This girl wants to set us up.
Huh?
She wants to set us up. See this Stacy. This Stacy.
What happened now? Why is it talk like that? What did she do?
When somebody find $1 and what? And he showed me that say this girl don't come hide and here.
This is what. Come favor. How sure are you with what you just tell me now? You dey sure?
I know that. Wait.
What do you mean?
Huh? Siam. Siam. I know what I talk. I know where from the corner. Siam. See plenty dollar where this girl hide for you. Siam. You see plenty dollar.
This girl won't put us for trouble.
Wow.
This girl na bad girl.
Trouble with the sleeping. I gotta go and go. See. This thing.
Hey! What's your going to now? You go give her this person. Huh? Where you they go?
Hey, I don't care if this is a prank. I don't know if it's you, Michael, or whoever, but I'm going out now. When I get back, I need my money and my wristwatch.
Babe, you know I can never steal from you. Who's that?
It's me, Favor.
What do you want?
I want to speak with you.
About what? The door is open, just come in.
Oh, she's a human being. What is that?
I'm coming.
Is that what's the problem now?
No, babe, I don't think there's any problem.
Stacy.
My love.
What's the problem?
Nothing. You know she's a child.
Where's my money now? I kept it here now.
Favor.
You see you. You see you. So when I come this house, you know shock you say I never bring that video, say my user threatening you. You shock you, Abby? You know shock you say I never say make a cancel with that video or make a blackmail you with that video.
Yes.
You know shock you, Abby? Shock you.
Yes.
Good. Now, when I come this house, I just dey mind my business. I just dey do on my name. But you, we be saying now you even get wahala. Instead of you to mind your business, grow your life and your family, you decide say na to the set Favor up your problem. Abi, now make all of us find that wahala.
Huh?
No, let us cast everything. But I don't fight. Favor. But I don't fight.
Odogo, okay. Daddy, small time. Daddy, where you going, sir? No, not be saying money. You money where they pay me, don't do me. You don't do me well. My chairman. No reason to hand. Don't hand. Okay.
When I come back, I'll go bring that thing.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir. They drive, they come like this. Oh, Daddy, the next one I go come like you. I swear to God, you too good. Take out. Daddy, aye. for this job. I know say this small kind of better person. Don't worry. Now wow. Just talk am. Ow. Talk am say you get this kind of guy. Ow. Favor, wait! Please wait! Favor, please!
What's that?
I beg you. I am sorry.
Why have you not done? Why are you dragging me?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Please don't be angry. I will never do that again. Please, it's the devil.
When you don't swear, say you not gonna let me breathe.
Yes.
I will not breathe in this house.
I will let you breathe in this house.
No, you think I'm playing with you. I'm not playing with you.
I'm not playing. Favor, we
So you want to do my leg come outside, Abby?
No,
I am sorry.
Favor. Ah, beg, Mona, wait.
I will show you.
Favor. What did they do now?
Forgive me.
Ah, the day they make noise. The man where they even cause it, no even their house. No, their house.
Thank you, Lord.
No, I may come back because stay.
No, sorry, oh. Sorry.
To you, madam. You know the shame. They say person where getting yash don't know how to use and they sit down. This place where you dey, no, you sit down one place.
Sorry.
Woman, when they say me woman stay one place, you get why? Yes. When I dey with Polycarp, now only me and Polycarp dey like this. I no look this side, I no look this side. Now me and him dey for 6 years with me and him dey. Even when nothing come out, I still dey with him. See where you dey, see the house where you dey. See I do chan. This shit.
It's devil.
See you light on the bed now. See.
Thank you.
I will teach this girl lesson. Don't worry.
Favor. I beg. You know, say me, I will always advise you better. I don't want to make this thing where this girl they do now, or all these things where they happen for this house now, it distract you for waiting you supposed learn from Oga soft boy. You are proposed for here now where we did. Say make you learn something so that you no go be say we stay here finish now can't go back. You go be say you no go back with anything at all. So even if they get issue, leave them. I go advise make you just remove your mouth from these people. Yeah.
I don't ever eat it before.
No.
Now she want label me thief.
She no go fit. Our God they alive. That God we will serve. No go let make our enemies shame us.
7 days to Christmas, bitches. And they give her 7 days. If she don't confess, I go help and confess.
If soft boy finds out about this, we are finished. Now that guy be my last hope for this life.
What am I even doing with someone like you? Soft boy is everything I need in a man. He's everything I want in a man. He takes care of my mother. My brother goes to school today is because of soft boy. He gives me a baby girl lifestyle. He's everything I want. Why would I even want to do anything with you? You're nothing compared to soft boy.
You be like say you decrease.
Now you decrease.
You be like say you don't decrease.
Be like say something they worry me for head.
alright?
Now Juju you do me.
Are you alright?
Guy, you charmed me.
So I'm not up to what you can look.
You are not. You're nothing compared to him. Now Juju, you don't do Juju on me. What do you even have? What have I benefited from you? Nothing.
Damn, allow me think.
Okay,
Let me think of the solution here.
I think
Let me
think.
Let me know what.
Think. Got my head the hot. Just start to think. Oh, just to think I'm now. Maybe say even get money to give me. You cannot even maintain me. See this tag along. God, I beg you, I don't die. I'm dead. I know I'm dead. God, don't let soft boy find out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's a season of love, joy, peace, and happiness. It's something you can get anywhere.
I made something nice for you when you left. So can you come in and eat?
No, I'm looking for my money. A bunch of dollars in my wristwatch. Where is it? I've searched everywhere. I can't find it, and I don't know what's going on.
Here. Found it.
Right.
I mistakenly took it to the other room when I was cleaning up. So, babe, are you trying to count the money?
No.
You don't trust me?
No, I do, of course, I do.
Yeah, so it's my mistake. Can we go in now and eat?
Yeah.
No, I love you.
I love you too.
And I will never, ever do anything to hurt you. Never.
So beautiful.
I know. Let's go eat.
Let's go.
What have I done? If soft boy find out about this, man, I'm doomed. What have I gotten myself into? What have...
What do we do about this?
Honestly, I don't know. Which kind of wahala be this?
No, I feel so stupid right now. Why would I agree to do this with you? Knowing fully well that soft boy is your best friend and I belong to him. I'm supposed to respect that.
It was a mutual feelings. I wanted you the way you wanted me. Both of us wanted each other.
How? You approached me first. Walk around the house shirtless. You became overly nice to me. You promised me love. You started spoiling me with gifts and all the promises. You told me you would do better than soft boy. Why would I even agree to this? Why? Just look at me. Look at what I'm going through. I know I made a mistake. I'm not taking myself out of all of this. I know I made a mistake. I'm not supposed to. But what do I do? How do I remedy this situation? Can you come up with something?
Listen,
Because I regret doing this with you. I regret it. I know. I warned him. I talked to him. I said, babe, you're too busy for this relationship. You barely spend time with me. You keep going around making your content because you're trying to build your page. What about me? What about the relationship we have? You know, I could have just gone somewhere or leave the relationship entirely instead of messing around with you. I'm such a horrible woman. I know.
Listen, this is not what we should be talking about. We are supposed to be talking about how to remedy this situation. I mean, get ourselves out of this mess. Stop blaming me.
What? You caused this. Can't you see? You started all of this. You know I regret doing this with you, right? This is just a total mess. It's easy for you to say this because you're not going through what I'm facing. Would you be happy if he treats you the way he's treating me right now? You're happy. No, you're happy because you've appeared to be so innocent. Excuse me.
So this girl is trying to push everything on me, right?
I think say don't sleep.
Yeah, I'm thirsty. Have you seen my girl?
No, I never see her, but I know say she go there somewhere around the house.
Okay. Why are you out here? Why are you out here at this time?
No, nothing. No, I just make I just come here, sit down, reason some things on my own.
No, that's not right. You can't be out here at midnight and you say there's nothing. I hope we're not making you uncomfortable.
No, nobody make me uncomfortable. I do okay.
So what is it now? We're family. You can tell me.
I beg, no verse say I did this mood right then now.
Yeah, just tell me why you're in the mood.
No, my relationship. I've been there one relationship with one man what they call polycap. For 6 years. For that 6 years, I give that relationship everything really inside me. Money I give. Make every effort. My time give. I even gather all the money where I get. Give polycap. Make it you start business. Thinking say me and him we dey build something where we say it go better for us for future. I no say polycap get another woman where they pregnant for her. Even before me and him even begin date.
Wow.
6 years. That woman born pikin, Polycarp, leave me, go marry that one. Now so I lose everything where I get. That money where I give Polycarp, na him be the last card where I get. The last money where I do business. I gather and give man. My birthday now in few days. I don't even get clothes I go wear for my bed. I don't get anything. I don't get hope of who if you say, take this water, na him be a birthday gift. I don't get anybody who I want to say, make I celebrate my birthday with. Tell me, who they live this kind of life? Woman like me. They pay me, oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. I would sort it out. Gifts, clothes, whatever it is you need, I'll help you out with that. But I need you to understand something, that sometimes we need to let the wrong person go so the right person can come in.
It is so easy to get man.
God will do it. God will give you a better person. A person who will not waste 6 years of your life. Okay? Listen, like I said, I'll make your birthday a memorable one. Okay?
I want to thank you.
Nah, it's okay. It's okay.
Everything what they do for my sister and I.
It's okay.
I want to thank you.
It's okay.
God bless you for me, Biko.
Amen.
God bless you.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I don't know.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's all right. Hey.
Babe?
Where have you been? I was looking for you. Huh?
I went to the editing room to check out our last content. I think I didn't do pretty well.
No, baby, did well. I think the only reason you were thinking that way is because it's not been properly edited yet.
Babe, you know I'm a perfectionist, right?
I know, but trust me, if it wasn't good, I wouldn't have uploaded the trailer for everybody to see.
Babe, no matter what happens, please don't forget that I love you.
You know I love you.
I truly love you.
I love you too. And you're gonna get married and you'll be the mother of my children, okay? Okay. I love you.
Love you.
Good night. Don't think too much, okay?
Yeah.
You did what?
Soft, please. I did not sleep with her. Trust me, I did not. Okay, fine. We had some great moments together. But I never slept with her. I decided to tell you because you're just like my brother. And I can't live with all these guilt. So I had to tell you.
Dude, you're a traitor. Do you understand what I'm saying? You are a traitor. Are you serious? You had the guts to touch my woman after I put you in my house? I fed you? I catered for you? Really?
Honestly,
I just can't be happy. This is not happening, actually, no. It's not happening.
Hi, babe.
You cheat. Don't call me that. Don't call me that.
Babe, excuse me. What's going on? Are you okay?
If you know what's good for you, listen. Are you listening to me? If you know what's good for you, you bring my car back to my house right now. You cheat. How could you do this to me, Stacy? Really?
Oh.
Soft. Soft.
Babe, it's not what you think. I can
Explain what? That the woman I was going to get married to is loose? And of all people, my friend, Michael, of all people, really?
No. Mike, why are you doing this to me? Why?
I'm sorry, I feel so bad that I did this to my friend, so I had to come out clean, clear my conscience.
What? How? No, you feel that if you tell him before I do, he will see you as less guilty, right?
Okay, let me understand something. The question is, did you even do it? Michael, did she do this thing? Did you do it?
We didn't have sex. We did not.
Yes, we did.
People said, I don't even know what to believe anymore. Are you even pregnant? Are you pregnant?
She's not pregnant.
Mike, stop doing this. Stop it.
Are you serious?
I have to tell him the truth. Soft boy, you can confirm from favor.
Jesus.
Favor recorded us.
Hey!
Wait, everyone just keep quiet, I don't understand favor. What is this? Recorded what? Are you saying favor has a video?
Yes. I don't know anything that's going on.
Which video? What did you record?
Me!
Favor, me.
No, sir, I swear. I don't know anything now. When did it happen? I don't know.
Which video this guy? What did you talk about?
The video you made, I even sent to Stacy before you came here.
You send any video? You send that video?
I don't have your number. Did you give me your number, ma?
No, I did not.
You're mad. You want to put my small sister for trouble for your problem?
Hey.
No time again, then the case.
Michael, what's the evidence to this thing that you're saying? Because this thing is turning my head. Okay, what's the evidence?
This girl has the video.
I don't have any evidence like that. Is that I recorded that when she was dancing, That's what I showed her that day. She was dancing. She was doing TikTok,
That him now. He sent any other video.
Jesus.
I'm sorry.
Stacey, I need you out of my house. I need you out of here. 30 minutes max. Get out of my house.
Wait.
Because I don't understand. Get out of my house! Get out!
Babe, hold on, I'm sorry.
Michael, you too. I need you out. Just go.
Babe, I will die.
No. Please.
Babe, hold on. My love, hold on, please. I'm sorry. Oh my God.
Bestie, tell me you want to do something. I don't include me.
That's something to do you for head. Best. Now my sister, my little sister, now you want use cover your shame.
You get plan, you include me for your. I think may involve me. One cast yourself.
So as he be. See head.
Some coconut head. Bestie. One cast, and I get the video. That's it. Other people be able to do number. I won't be like forest.
You get that?
Get my phone. The video get my phone. I don't show you. Get my phone.
Babe, my love, soft, hold on. Babe, please. Babe, don't do this to me. Babe, hold on. Babe, I'm sorry.
Just get out.
Soft.
Get out. You get out.
Soft, I'm sorry.
Get out of my house. Get out of my house.
No.
Get out.
Babe.
Why are you kneeling down? Don't touch me. Why are you kneeling down?
Babe,
Get out.
I am sorry. He didn't even have sex with me. I swear.
I beg, calm down. You know go good make you do something where you go do finish, you go regret them later. I beg, just give am second chance, yeah?
second chance, I beg. They beg. I beg.
So what you're trying to say is that I can't be with a woman who cheats on me. Get out! In fact, give me that ring.
Babe, hold on.
Give me that ring.
Soft, don't do this to me.
Get out of my house!
I beg now. If she go, me I go follow and go. I go follow and go. Not so me be the reason for your traffic for your page. I will go with Tama. Not be the cause of when I break up. I beg.
I am sorry. I truly love you. I will never do anything to hurt you. Please, I'm sorry, my love. Please, give me another chance. Please, just this one last chance. Please. Please, my love.
See, I'm not. Don't they beg? Don't they regret them? But you no go sit down one place. Eh? I don't know what they do all of now like this.
Why did you two stand up for me? I thought you don't like me.
Why I not go down? Me, what's it concern me? I don't want to make you be saying I miss spoil your marriage for you. I want me to use your hands, scatter and by yourself.
Come here, blow the fire, we'll come cause problem. We say make we come, make all of us day together, do content. Then do Christmas where we say we go there like one big family. Eh? You can't carry a bad character, come put inside. Go begin hide dollar. Go begin hide wristwatch. Why would you do that kind of thing? See your life now.
I'm really sorry. You know, I was scared. I was afraid that one of you might just tell him and he would ask me to leave just as he did now. I only wanted him to hate you so he will not listen to you, whatever you have to say to him. I'm really sorry.
Still, everything don't backfire.
I mean, I've seen it. I'm sorry. Please. I don't want to lose Soft Boy. I love him so much. My life will be miserable without him.
So you like him this much, now you leave him. You feel hot person where you like.
I'm so sorry. He's the devil. He was always around me, always being too kind and loving. I'm so sorry.
People will be at Charamunta, and Charamunta did their eyes, and people did their blood. Maybe anything where you like to do, then you can still go back to Charamunta. I beg, me with the goings.
Hey, you know what? Come off my house. Leave my house. Come on my house.
Soft, you never reach like this now. Why you won't allow woman matter ruin our friendship?
You say you Chris. You say you don't get sense. You're a very stupid person. You were having an affair with a woman you watched me propose to. A woman I wanted to make my wife. Now that woman you go to get affair with, why would she come between us? As a matter of fact, she didn't even come between us. Your actions did. So you know what? Come off from my house. I don't want to have anything to do with a broke man like you.
Soft, did they call me broke?
Are you not broke? This guy, you say you never. Are you not broke? Are you not broke? Are you not broke? Answer me. You get mad. You where they try elevate. And they try bring you up to standard. You go to form a hand. In fact, this guy.
So calm down. I never.
This is not joke. What do you mean you never reach? It's not joke. Come on here, my guy. Come on here.
I go leave your house, I beg. No spoil anything here.
What you dey talk?
Spoil go pay.
You no fit do anything. You no fit do anything. You no fit do anything. Guy, you no fit do me nothing. I lock you up. You where I call my guy. You where I call my guy. They try bring you up. And they try bring you up. Make something out of your life. And you dey tell me say I go pay. Who are you? Who are you? Tell me. Eh? What till you they talk? What till you they talk?
You make her leave your house.
Come on here. They go. They go. Are you serious? Go.
Boy, calm down.
Where do you want out? Out. Don't ask me that question. Out.
I'm sorry. Please.
Out. Leave my house. Leave my house.
We can sort this thing out. We can sort it out, please.
Sort what out? What do you want to sort? Go. Security, I don't want to see this guy. Don't come here. I don't want to see this guy anywhere around this house again. Let me call the estate security. You think I'm joking?
There's no place for
what I do. Don't do this. Let's go. Go out. You kidding me? Hello? I don't want to see this guy near my house anymore. Do you understand what I'm saying? Huh?
And what I don't want to tell you, say, make you calm down. Calm down, check this thing well. Tell your friend, how long gonna don't live together for this house?
3 years. And all those years, I've never kept him away from my girl. Never.
3 years we don't date this house. Your girlfriend never do anything with her. She never agree with him in the one make she follow and do. That's why I'm not sure you say this girl still have fear and respect for you. Eh? Calm down, get more patient, make you no rush, go do something where you go regret tomorrow.
You can't begin to imagine what I've done, everything I've done for that girl. You can't imagine it. And she has to go to treat me like this, me.
She never do you anything. She never grew. You never allowed that your friend to enter her paradise. You know they say I'm like that.
Because this guy touched her not once, not twice, not 3 times. And still she didn't feel that she had to tell me.
She no get sense with her. They no do anything. You know they understand what she they tell you. You don't forget what they talk say for English. How they take talk am again. They say strong relationship. They build them for mistakes and forgiveness. You go forgive her.
My heart's broken. I don't even lie to you.
I know say your heart is broken, but calm down. Calm down, no the verse like this, yeah? Now this one where you reverse now, birthday where you even want carry me go, no if you carry me go again.
That's been taken care of. I sent you a picture to a female costumer that I know, so she's sorting your clothes out.
Eh?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. All this is what you just did do for me, yeah. Thank you.
Now look,
Even as in the verse is still that kind. Thank you.
So what I was about to say is that if I can do this for you, imagine what I can do for my girl.
I know say you love her because she love you. The girl love you. If I tell you the truth, so you go calm down, yeah? Make we watch her, make we see what's in the happen. Okay.
But I've thought about something. Something I'm thinking about. We'll talk about it later. Yeah.
Okay. So make you leave you and make you rest. No too vex, so
No problem.
good night.
Okay. Amara, hurry up, please. You have to go.
Oh,
My
Babe.
sister.
babe, I made food. Do you want me to serve you now, my love?
My sweet sister. My sweet finest of them all. See waist now. See height. See skin now. Flawless.
Looking nice.
No, you're beautiful.
Actually good. Actually good. Actually good. That's my sister there.
Oh, John.
Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Very good. Let's go.
Okay. Babe, I said I made food. Babe, I cooked. Babe.
Don't be sad. Nothing is permanent. You don't say people go to vex. Oh. Not really anything.
Leave me alone.
You're beautiful. I can't get my hands off you.
Stop now. Stop.
Come on.
No, leave me, naughty boy. See, I get there.
Which girl?
What's going on? I've been seeing outside that isn't a joke. What's this holding and touching and hugging? What's that?
Stop, don't touch me now.
I'm upstairs. I'm upstairs.
Okay.
Is everything okay?
Everything's okay. I'm okay. Let's see you upstairs.
Sister. Me and you no plan this one. I'm not talking.
Come, let's enter our room.
Baby, did you see that? Did you see what your auntie is doing with my man? Is it fair?
Not fair. It's very dark because me, I don't know. They're taking me on our way safe. I don't even know what's going on.
You've won, right?
Let's go to my room.
Which room?
Let's go to my room. Where they go, Joe?
Don't they do that guy too?
So I should follow you. Come now.
Come to your room.
Why?
My room will go. What's the worry?
I'm take it. Let me pick it up. Hello.
Which kind of nonsense be this one now? What's the meaning of this rubbish what they do? I don't understand. You don't get shame. Now so you desperate rich. You don't get shame. You don't get respect for your body. I don't understand. So anytime when you see my body go they shake, now make you fall enter polycap hand. Eh?
Now insult be this way they give me. Favor. Now insult be this way they give me. For your life, no try am next time. No ever try am next time. Say you will talk to me the way you talk to me now. No talk am again.
I go talk to you.
I be your mother's younger sister. Me and you no be mates. No try am again.
I go talk to you anyhow I like because you know they respect yourself again these days. I don't go understand what they do you. Because I carry you come this house, you want to show yourself for that man. What did they do you safe? Two people they get issue, you can't add fuel for the fire. You were supposed they know how you wanted they settle them. You can't even make the matter worse. Yes, I know say the lady be not that nice to me. But not be say I will come and agree say me will scatter relationship where they don't build for te. You won't go scatter everything for them.
This is the way they talk now. You know concern me. Only thing wey concern me be say they carry me comot for my birthday. For the first time in my whole life, where I don't comot go get fun on my birthday. And the Christmas they come. I one day here enjoy myself, do my Christmas. This vibe where they get now, I could just enjoy them. Anytime where it last. Any place where it stop. Why you dey even blame me? Now maybe the girl will do what she do. When the girl go, they do nonsense with the guy best friend. They no get sense. The girl no get sense. You know, she said that boy and a fine boy can't get money on top again. You know, see, so let me make I tell you something. I never use all my shares. Grab the boy. If you say the boy never text, say make I grab you. This guy, everything there. He get money. Fine. He get manner. Get respect. In fact, nothing where you want to talk where this birthday, when no day. So if the boy open mouth self now, tell me say you want grab me, make I help and pursue this girl, come up for here. I go do her. You hear me?
For your mind now, because the man they follow you like where they follow shit. It is saying like you. Not like you. When they use it, they cure depression. When they use it, they cure anger. Emotional trauma when they go through. Very soon, he go leave you. Hear me? He go leave you.
Make I enjoy him now where it last. Anywhere where it end, I will not stay don't end. This kind of life, I don't live on before. Hey! Hey, favor! You need to see what thing happen where we go. Not the way I want where this boy don't give me. You go carry me like this, you carry me like this, you carry me like this. Hey! You go say happy birthday, you go touch me like this, you go touch me like this.
Go to the kitchen and see what your aunt is doing with my man. She foolishly thinks that she can come to this house and take him away from me just like that. Why? I know I made a mistake. Fine. I know I allowed Mike to touch me, but I didn't allow him to sleep with me. So why would she do that to me? Just go in there and talk to her. Tell her to leave my man alone. Else, hell will be set loose. I will set this whole house on fire.
Are you commanding me? You don't need to be commanding me. Wow, for eye. Now you are not laughing. I'm here to help you. I'm not even doing that command. The command now, not the take.
Please go and talk to her. Just talk to her.
Like I was saying before, the guy really likes me.
Sister? No. I don't know. See what is that? No, see, I beg.
No. No, see later now.
No, see, I want to talk to you, please.
Okay, ma, do it at the door. I'll come see you.
What are you still doing in my kitchen? Get out of my kitchen now. What are you doing here? This is my kitchen. You don't belong here, all right? Why are you even making food for my man? Can't I feed him? Babes, are you hungry? Do you want food?
Okay, you know. Okay, stop.
What are you doing in my kitchen?
Okay, hey. Stop, you have no right. You have no right. You understand me?
I do. This is my kitchen. And I'm not going to watch this thing take you away from me.
No.
No way, get out! I am talking to you now.
Hey, can you listen to me and listen good?
Okay.
Until you prove to me that you're pregnant, you have no part here. You're not part of this house. You understand me?
Babe, I know that I may not belong here for now, but
what?
Stop holding her waist.
Okay, listen to me.
I cannot watch you.
No, I want you to listen.
I can't even breathe.
Listen. And you listen good. Okay?
Yes.
I've had enough of your nonsense. Now you're going to go, and we're going to go and take a pregnancy test now. Okay? If you're not pregnant, then you're going to leave my house.
Babe, hold on.
No.
I need to tell
No, let's go. What are you saying?
woman,
No,
woman.
we're going. No. Hey, no. No.
Babe, no, I need to talk to her.
What are you doing?
Talk some sense.
What are you doing, Stacy?
No, you need to leave my house. You need to leave my kitchen. I'm listening.
Go.
This thing now, why you dey? I don't give this sign. You like they know the name.
Stop.
No. We're going to test you.
Stop, you're
We're going to
hurting
take a
me.
pregnancy test.
What are you doing?
We're going to take a pregnancy test. Go inside there. I'm going to take that test. Now.
Babe.
Go in now. What's wrong with you? You say you're pregnant, right? So why is it so difficult for you to test? Let's see. What's the result? What does it say?
Jesus! She get below.
I didn't know I'm pregnant. I lied. I lied because I wanted a baby girl treatment this Christmas. But I'm sorry.
You lied before, but now you're pregnant.
Yes.
So how am I sure Michael is not responsible for this thing?
No. God forbid. Michael has never touched me, has never slept with me before in my entire life. Babe, I know you don't trust me. I know I messed up, but this is yours.
Take another one. One test. Take another one. No, let her test now.
I beg, this thing don't do. Maybe we just leave this thing, beg.
Hey, sister, who did you talk now? Me we know the one where you stand. Yeah? She's pregnant. She's pregnant. Maybe sister no be lying. They play the show.
I'm sorry, babe. Please forgive me. Please. Don't do this to me. Please give me one more chance so that we can take care of this baby together. I can't do it alone. Please, I can't. Please, I'm sorry, Soft. I truly love you. Please. If you don't trust me, we can run a DNA test when the baby is born. Please, I'm sorry.
I beg, me will end this thing. I beg, I no do again. Wait now. See, he pay me, say make I dey make you jealous.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
Hey!
Yeah.
That's a lie. You love her.
No. I was just trying to punish you.
He loves you. I've seen how he treats you.
Me and him no get anything. So I come here. You say make him pay me. Me and him arrange am so that you will be woman. You go know the value of wetin you get. It's a good way, woman. When you dey house, know the man where you get for house. The man will love you, no say he love you. No, they do pium. They find where you want go put eyes. Now where I don't do, you don't now you know the value of wetin you get. Eh?
I feel so ashamed of myself.
What did you even take me for before? Even you self will be my sister. They look me less so. Like I go come out from my house now, come here now. Wait till I want come to come snatch the man from me. Why they even look me like this? You must say why do you even use that kind eye to look me?
I feel so terrible. I can't even believe that I will put you through this mess, this whole stress. I'm so sorry. I don't know what came over me. This is not me. This is not how I want to love you. So this is not how I want to treat you. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I can't even find myself loving another man. I'm so sorry.
I showed you love, and I gave you all. What do you have to pay me back? This loyalty and unfaithfulness, trusted you and gave you all.
No, I don't want it that way. Okay.
No, it's a Christmas social. What do you guys have to do?
Okay, what do you want us to do?
Feliz Navidad, prospero año, feliz Navidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry
Ready for the shoot? He's going to kiss me. You don't know him. You don't know soft porn. I told you.
Sorry, come to her back.
Me?
Yes.
Okay. This way?
Yes.
Can you see her face?
Thanks.
Feliz Navidad, prospero año, felicidad.
Let's go.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Soft smile.
Feliz Navidad. Prospero año, felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. 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 I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Ah, Ogadami. Welcome, sir.
Oh boy, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yo, soft, my brother. Oh boy, where you at, man? I just drove into your compound. Yeah, okay, but wait, Oga, wait. I hope she's here. Is she here? Because you know why I came here today. I cannot wait. I can't wait to see this damsel that's been giving me sleepless nights since the day I saw her on your status. Oh, okay. All right, I'm coming right in. All right, man.
Ogadami, no get anything for boots.
Boy, calm down. Are they with you? We'll go see. Are they come?
Okay, boss. I tell her. This nigga gonna find me urgently.
Man, like soft. Soft, my brother. What do we say? Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas, bro.
Yeah, so
Amara.
hello, how are you?
Hi, Amara. Let me introduce somebody. So, this is the man I've been telling you about. Okay, the one who saw your picture on my status, and since then he hasn't rested. Anyway, I thought that it'd be proper for him to come here, and of course, you meet him personally. Introduce yourself.
And that is what friends are for.
That's it.
Good one, bro.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. First of all, let me say that it is an absolute pleasure to eventually meet you in person. And you are such a beauty. You are a spec. In fact, more specifically, you are my spec. All right. So I would also like to humbly point out that I am capable? Yes, I am capable. So you have nothing to worry about as long as we have a bit of understanding. As a matter of fact, forgive my rashness on the way I'll put this one, but I go package you so you no go recognize yourself again.
I'm dropping line. I don't be by line. No, this is my sister. This is my only auntie. I know they play with Tamu. No, it's not play with me.
At all.
Oh, this kind of Christmas love.
Wahala.
A childhood.
So double parara, take care of my newfound friend.
Of course.
My new bestie.
Take care. I don't know.
Approvals already. Approval ratings.
Don't worry. You get to know him. Don't worry.
He's a good guy.
That will not be a problem. I assure you that you will get to know everything that there is to know about moi.
Wow. Amazing.
You're right on time. We're having a family Christmas.
Oh, did I interrupt?
No, you did not. You can be part of it.
Already a part of the family.
Exactly.
That's how we start, you know.
All right, so where do I start?
You know, it is we photographers that join before passport or everything I join. Due to that,
it's a season of love, joy, peace, and happiness. It's something you can get.
Permission to.
But when you
I never give you.
do your best to keep it, I show you love.
Sorry. The camera is here.
And gave you all you need. All because of love. Love is peace.
Crazy.
Love is peace.
Are you there? Oh.
Never hurt. Oh, love is peace. Love is peace. Love is kindness. True love never hurt. I showed you love.
Okay.
And I gave you all. What do you have to pay me back? This loyalty and unfaithfulness. Trusted you and gave you all. Anything for you I would do. All because of love. Cause love never hurts. Love is peace. Love is peace. Love is kindness. Oh, never hurt. Oh, love is peace. Love is peace. Love is kindness. True love never hurt. Joy, peace, and happiness is something you can get anywhere. But when you have one, do your best to keep it. I showed you love. I care for you and gave you all you need. All because of love. Love is peace. Love is peace. Love is kindness. Oh, never hurt. Oh, love is peace. Love is peace. Love is kindness. True love never hurt. I showed you love. I showed you love. And I gave you all. I gave what do you have to pay me back? This loyalty and unfaithfulness. Trusted you and gave you all. Anything for you I would do. All because of love. Cause love never hurts. Love is peace. Love is peace. Love is kindness. Oh, never hurt. Oh, love is peace. Love is peace. Love is kindness. True love never hurt. Love is peace. Love is peace.